How to get refund on Uber Eats. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a refund on Uber Eats quickly and easily. So first, open the Uber Eats app on your phone. Tap account in the bottom right corner, then scroll down and select help. Choose help with an order, then find the order that you want a refund for. If your order is not listed, go back, then tap the account and payments and select I need to contact support. Fill in your name, phone number, and select other as the issue. In the details box, type I would like to request a refund for order number, then type your order number. Then hit submit. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more quick tutorial. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.